It's a beautiful day to save books. Let's work on triage. Starting off strong with Dogman. What could possibly be wrong with you, I wonder? Something, I'm sure. Or nothing this time? Okay. Just take those right back in there. Whoops. Okay. Next, Ghost's Grave. Oh. Oh. We got a hole in the page. Page trauma. I'll see if I can find that page online and Xerox it and then like tape it back in. Creepy pair of underwear. What's wrong? Oh. It's not even really spine damage so much as like cosmetic surgery. It needs a little facelift. Okay, National Geographic Facts for Kids. Wait, there are already tabs in here. What are those for? Oh, look at the child that marked that for me. Bless them. Well, we can tell what's wrong here. Goodness gracious. Oh, it's a pop-up book. Great. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. It's fine. We need poo. What's wrong with you? Page trauma. And no, just the page trauma. Okay, that's fixed. Easy fix, actually. Hilda and the Wilderness Stories. Label. Label. We'll give you a spa day since you're here. Let's go for sanitation station. We'll just get you all cleaned up. Elephant and Piggy, Biggie 1. Need tape right there. I think that's it. We just got a little spine injury. Oh, this is such a rough copy of this book. I'm not gonna lie, the fact that this hardback is starting to be like soft, you've done your time. We're DOA. I'm invited to a party. Oh, it's just the tiniest bit loose right there, and if I leave it, it'll be a lot more loose. The worst book ever. Oh, spine injury. And that is my last spine injury tag. I had 24 to start with. That entire top row are all spine injuries. I think I'm gonna have a work day on them. You need cosmetic surgery. You need cosmetic surgery. I was supposed to do that the other day and I didn't. You need, what do you need? Page trauma. Oh, it's like across the pages throughout the book? Sorry, Dogman. DOA. We lost one. Well, I don't have a tag for it, but you can go on the shelf with the rest of ya. Put you guys back to the side. Ugh. All right. There's more. They're in my office, but we have finally triaged the entire cart that was out here. That means we're caught up with this year's school books. Now triage begins on last year's books.